We have great news for you in the updates to the Braden Scale. Since 1988, the Braden Scale has been the global gold standard for pressure injury prediction. But healthcare is different than what it was back then, and so too is the new Braden Scale II. The Braden Scale II is going to give you and your peers, your clinicians that work in your organization, the tool that they need to accurately and precisely identify patients that have risk to develop pressure injuries. That is absolutely imperative because you want to be able to drive the right intervention to the right patient at the right time. And the Braden Scale II is what is going to drive the clinical decision support for when and how to provide the right care to the right patient. That's exceedingly important in today's healthcare environment because nurses don't have time for inefficient care. They need to have the time to focus their life-saving efforts and energies on those critical patients that need that and not waste interventions on patients that don't. The Braden Scale II is going to allow your clinicians to accurately identify pressure injury risk, to marry up individualized interventions that do drive that right intervention to the right patient at the right time. It is not only just a tool, it comes with a suite of resources to make sure that your staff, whether they're novice or experienced nurses, have the training and education that they need to score that tool correctly. Without that, they're either going to be intervening on patients that don't need it, or they're going to fail to intervene on those patients that do. Either way, it's inefficient and it puts the patient in harm's way. And so we're very excited to give you the updates to the Braden Scale II so that you can more precisely care for the individuals that you seek to serve.
The Braden Scale II is now available to license at bradenscale.com.